welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are wondering why I've been doing a lot of my lip balm collections and not much of my ASMR videos anymore, it's because I actually like lip balm now and I like collecting it and all of that jazz. And since the virus is going on, I think lip balm's going to run out very quickly, especially for people who love lip balm like me. And I just got new lip balm today to add to my collection, and I want to show you guys. So let's carry on. So I'm going to stand you up. I hope you can see me if I stand you guys up. I'll show you my lip balm. I'm actually going to take my iPod out of its case so I can actually physically show you guys my lip balm collection. So this is going to be tricky, I'm not going to lie. I just think you guys can maybe just get a glimpse of me. I'm sorry about my hair, just like twist out my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys all my lip balms, and obviously I don't keep my lip balms in here. I'll get the box that I put my lip balms in, and I have the crate downstairs where I usually keep them, but sometimes my collection won't go in and I put it in this big massive thing. So if you guys can still even see me, so basically I'm going to my nan's and I like to take my lip balms everywhere. I know, very crazy, but I got it all in here at the moment. And I have all my lip glosses downstairs, which I'm not going to be showing in this video. I'll show them in my next video. So this YouTube channel might actually turn into like a lip balm channel. So sorry if that does happen. And then I got my new one in the front. And if you guys wanna, just quickly guess what new lip balm I got, because I haven't got this brand yet. So if you guessed Burt's Bees, then you guys are correct. So I actually sellotaped it back up because I like just like unwrapping it for some reason. I like keeping it in the box. But yeah, here's my new Burt's Bee. I've never got this brand before, and in the UK I didn't know they did this many lip balms as they would. So they have got soft lips, baby lips here. They've got Burt's Bees, they've got Carmex, they've got everything in the UK now. So well done UK, and I'm gonna go there. So let's just get on with our collection. So I'm gonna do like random picks in my bag just to show you guys how much I have got. And I am doing this video in my bedroom today. So yeah, I'm gonna go for them. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick with my hand randomly. I'm gonna go to the bottom and I pick this one. Oh, okay. So I got this Coco Loco lip balm. Can you guys see, I think? So yeah, I really like this one. My nan got this one for me once. Can you guys actually see? Ow. Ow. Can you guys see? Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna try. Oh, sorry. Right, I think you can see. I hope. But yeah, anyway, on from that. That is the Coco Loco one. I'm picking up a creamy scent from this. Yeah, so as all lip balms do. Yeah, that's one of them. Right, oh my god. Okay, don't get too angry about you. Okay. Obviously, I'm not filming on my camera today. Oh, okay. So let's go through the next one. This one. Oh, Carmex. So I got this classic Carmex, the original. Guys, I might have to do part 2 showing all my lip balms. So yeah, got some Carmex. So I'll do a part 2 if you want, guys. Then they have to be. So yeah, it will still be fun though. See you guys for part 2. Let me just turn the camera around. See you guys for part 2. I hope you liked part 1, and I'll see you in about a couple of hours. Bye.